In this video, I'll show you how to set up Peacock on your Vizio TV. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio TV. Make sure your Vizio TV is connected to the internet. Turn it on and access the home screen. Step 2. Open the Vizio SmartCast app. Navigate to the SmartCast app section on your TV. Open the app to access its features. Step 3. Search for the Peacock app. Use the search bar in SmartCast to find Peacock. Select the app from the search results. Step 4. Install and log in. Click Install to add the app to your TV. Open the app and log in using your Peacock credentials. And now your Peacock on Vizio TV is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, I ask you to subscribe, and if you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.